Yep, so today I'll be showing you how to tie your shoes one-handed. So first, you have your laces laid out. Cross the one from the right over, cross the one from the left over. Tuck the one from the left underneath and pull them tight. Hold the one on your left now tight with your thumb while you make a loop with your other finger there. Then hold that still while you wrap the other lace around the loop, tuck it under, and pull it through. Now, you can just pull it tight, and then pull your laces through as needed to manage the excess length. Then pull it tight again, and you should be good. Another method of doing this would be once you cross over your laces like that, tuck it under an extra time. That will help add friction if you're doing something that requires a lot of activity and you don't want it to come untied. Hold it down, make your loop, tuck it back under your loop, pull that lace back under your loop just as before. The difference here is once we pull through and get our length right, we can grab our loops and tighten them up again. The next step would be to cross the loops across each other, and once you get those straight, pull one loop underneath the other, and then you can grab those loops and pull them tight again. Now you have a really solid double knot, which won't come undone if you're doing something that's active, if you happen to play sports or something. And you can also untie easily by pulling on the lace like that. So I will retie once more to show that, and because I need to tie my shoe. So there, I've crossed them over, tucked them under. Now I'm tucking the lace back under the loop, tucking it underneath, and pulling it to manage the slack now. Now we will pull our loops tight. And that's that. That's all we have for today.